In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mount this top-down, bottom-up blind from Home Depot. We're going to be inside mounting these without the 1 3/8 inch return on the window frame that they require. So we're going to be modifying this slightly. If you don't want to do it this way, you will have to do an outside mount or find another way to install it. We can't mount it because we don't have an 1 3/8 inch return, but we also have this trim piece that runs all the way around the window. If you rent or don't want to use mechanical fasteners to secure your blinds to your windows, you can always get these stick-on blinds. They're renter friendly. We've been using these because we didn't want to buy blinds when we first moved in. They also get no drill blinds. They are a little bit more expensive, and they have a little adjustment wheel that you can go in here. Note, if you don't have an 1.5 or 2 inches of return into your window, you won't be able to use one of those no fasteners adjustable blinds because there's nothing for them to attach against, like we don't have here because we have this trim coming around. These are like one-time use. Pull them down, get rid of them. These are the brackets to secure your top up, bottom down blinds. And they want you to have an 1 3/8 minimum from the wall or from the window so you can secure it upwards. Now we don't have that because we have this trim here. Even if the trim were gone, we still wouldn't be able to secure this. So we would have to do outside mount, which means outside mount is going to be up here on this trim up here. And we just don't like that. We like the blinds to be the same size as the window, not the window trim. So now, how do you solve that problem? Now the vinyl that runs along here, you can actually screw into. If you don't want to, I'd recommend you get something else, like you get those stick-on blinds I just showed you, or a no fastener blind. You can use these brackets here and secure this into this piece of the vinyl, and that's what we're going to do today. Now our blinds are the same size as this opening, minus about 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to put my bracket right about here on either side. And that's going to allow me to have one at either side and then one in the middle. I am going to drill a small hole in here, and that's going to allow me to get the screws started a little bit easier. If you're renting, or you may pull these blinds down at some point, don't do this because repairing this vinyl is pretty challenging. So these are going to be up here permanently for us. So I'm okay with doing this. It's also my house, so I can do whatever I want to it. If you don't like that, tough luck. But this is a good way to mount blinds inside if you don't have the correct return as specified by the manufacturer. So we're going to secure this in, hold the bracket where it's better be. Put the other two in. Now we can bring in our blind, and this is the attachment, so you can pull the blind up and down. It just slots on here, so slide it on and push it until it's centered. To install this rail, you're going to slot the front in and then push it upwards. Really easy. It's got this mechanism here where this part slots into the front and then the back clips in once you push it up. So you're going to bring the blind up, we're going to slot it into the front like that, and then we're just going to push it up. You're going to hear an audible click. Now it's installed. Pull the blind down, pull the top down, pull the top up. In the package you will see these little clips. These go on either side. You put them at the bottom and then you pull the blind down and clip into place. I never really use these, don't secure them, but if you wanted to put them on, you can. That's how to install a top-down, bottom-up blind from Home Depot. If you did like this video and you want to see more DIY content around the home, you should watch this video here next.